Can a vegan diet slow aging? Aging is a natural process influenced by various factors, including genetics, lifestyle, and diet. Recently, there has been growing interest in how dietary choices, particularly a vegan diet, can impact the aging process. A vegan diet excludes all animal products and focuses on plant-based foods, such as fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds. This video drills into the potential benefits of a vegan diet in slowing the aging process, backed by scientific evidence and expert opinions. The science behind aging. Aging is characterized by the gradual decline in physiological function and increased vulnerability to diseases. Several biological mechanisms contribute to aging, including oxidative stress, the accumulation of free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leads to oxidative stress. This stress accelerates the aging process and contributes to the development of chronic diseases. Inflammation. Chronic inflammation is associated with many age-related diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Reducing inflammation is crucial for healthy aging. Telomere shortening. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of chromosomes. As cells divide, telomeres shorten, leading to cellular aging and senescence. Glycation. The binding of sugar molecules to proteins and lipids, forming advanced glycation end products, ages, which impair cellular function and contribute to aging. Potential anti-aging benefits of a vegan diet. A vegan diet may slow the aging process through several mechanisms, including reducing oxidative stress, inflammation, and glycation, and supporting telomere maintenance. Rich in antioxidants. Oxidative stress reduction. Plant-based foods are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamins C and E, polyphenols, and flavonoids. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting cells from damage. Fruits and vegetables. Berries, citrus fruits, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables are particularly high in antioxidants. Scientific evidence. Studies have shown that diets high in antioxidants can improve skin health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and potentially slow the aging process. For example, a study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that a diet rich in fruits and vegetables is associated with reduced oxidative stress and inflammation. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation reduction. A vegan diet is naturally anti-inflammatory due to its high content of fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. It excludes inflammatory foods, such as red and processed meats, which are linked to higher levels of inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids. Certain plant-based foods, such as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Scientific evidence. Research published in Nutrients indicates that a plant-based diet can significantly reduce markers of inflammation. Reduced inflammation is linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases and healthier aging. Promotes healthy telomeres. Telomere maintenance. A vegan diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential nutrients and antioxidants that support telomere maintenance and length. Scientific evidence. A study published in The Lancet Oncology found that a comprehensive lifestyle change, including a plant-based diet, can increase telomere length. Longer telomeres are associated with reduced cellular aging and improved health outcomes. Reduces glycation. Glycation prevention. A vegan diet is typically lower in processed foods and refined sugars, which are major contributors to glycation. Consuming whole, unprocessed plant foods can help reduce the formation of ages. Research indicates that a diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can reduce the formation of AGS, thereby slowing the aging process. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that a low AGE diet improves insulin sensitivity and reduces oxidative stress. Nutritional considerations for vegans. While a vegan diet offers numerous potential benefits for slowing aging, it's important to ensure adequate intake of certain nutrients that are less abundant in plant-based foods. Vitamin B12. Essential for red blood cell formation, neurological function, and DNA synthesis. Fortified foods, plant-based milks, cereals, and supplements. Vitamin D. Crucial for bone health, immune function, and reducing inflammation. Fortified foods, exposure to sunlight, and supplements. Omega-3 fatty acids. Supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and promotes brain function. Flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, walnuts, and algae-based supplements. Iron. Necessary for oxygen transport in the blood and energy metabolism. Legumes, lentils, tofu, spinach, and fortified cereals. Pair with vitamin C-rich foods to enhance absorption. Calcium. Essential for bone health and muscle function. Leafy greens, kale, bok choy, fortified plant-based milks, and tofu. Practical tips for adopting a vegan diet. Start gradually. Begin by incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet gradually. Replace animal products with plant-based alternatives over time. Diversify your diet. Ensure a diverse diet to get a wide range of nutrients. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Plan balanced meals. Plan meals to include sources of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Use resources like the Vegan Plate to ensure balanced nutrition. Monitor nutrient intake. Consider using apps or working with a nutritionist to track nutrient intake and identify potential deficiencies. Use supplements as needed. Potential challenges and solutions. Nutritional deficiencies. Regularly monitor nutrient levels through blood tests and adjust diet or supplementation accordingly. Social and cultural barriers. Educate yourself and others about the benefits of a vegan diet. Find supportive communities and resources to help navigate social situations. Accessibility and cost. Plan meals and shop for seasonal and locally grown produce to reduce costs. Utilize community resources like farmers markets and co-ops. A vegan diet, rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients, holds promise for slowing the aging process and promoting overall health. By reducing oxidative stress, inflammation, glycation, and supporting telomere maintenance, a plant-based diet can contribute to healthier aging. However, it is important to ensure adequate intake of key nutrients through a well-planned diet and appropriate supplementation. Adopting a vegan diet can be a powerful step towards not only improving longevity but also enhancing the quality of life as you age. As always, it's advisable to consult with healthcare professionals before making significant dietary changes. If you received value from this video, please like, subscribe and comment.